Hi guys, let's learn how to introduce yourself in German using some very simple sentences. So, to say your name, you can use the phrase Ich heiße. So, I would say Ich heiße Siddharth Jod. Or, alternatively, you can also say Mein Name ist Siddharth Jod. Next, to talk about which country you come from or your country of origin, you can say Ich komme aus Indien. Indian, that is India in German. Next, to talk about where do you live, your current place of residence, you can say Ich wohne in Nagpur. Ich wohne in Nagpur. Next, let's talk about which languages you can speak. You can use the phrase Ich spreche. So for example, you can say Ich spreche Deutsch und English. Deutsch is the word for German. Or a more typical way to say which languages you can speak, you can say Ich kann. Ich kann Deutsch und English. Next, let's talk about your age. So, for example, I am 40 years old. So I would say Ich bin 40 Jahre alt. Ich bin 40 Jahre alt. Next, your profession. Now, for most students who are studying at the university level, you can just use the word student, or if you are female, you can say Studentin. So you would say Ich bin Student, and if you are female, you would say Ich bin Studentin. Finally, we can talk about your hobbies. You can say Meine Hobbys sind Fernsehen und Musik hören. That is watching TV and listening to music. Once again, meine Hobbys sind Fernsehen und Musik hören. Okay guys, so that was some sentences that you can use to introduce yourself in short. Thanks. Danke.